Hey, how's it going, guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. I have a interesting video for you today, as always. I have a headphone stand for you today. It's a very cheap stand. I believe I purchased it from AliExpress, if I'm not wrong. But yeah, check the links in the descriptions down below. So yeah, we'll see the headphone stand today. Very cheap. Let me know in the comments down below how much is your headphone stand if you have one. I just want to see to compare which is the most expensive stand that you bought. Personally, for me, I have a couple of headphones, so I just bought this cheap one just for the video. Plus, I'm gonna do some tests of a new headphones which I have here. Very excited to try these studio headphones. So I'm testing right now the headphones. So make sure to subscribe and yeah, turn the bell to see the review of these headphones. But yeah, it's a headphone stand. Simples, very interesting, very simple video is gonna be. So let's see now. It's plastic. It weighs 95 grams. That's interesting. Materials, ABS plus ABS. I don't know what does it mean ABS. So if you know, leave it in the description. Leave the comment. ABS plus TPU plus aluminum. So plastic plus aluminum. I don't have a color. It says color, but it says black and white. It's not thick if it's white or black. So I don't know. So we'll be surprised. So that's nice. It's made in China. Yeah, pretty straightforward headphone stand. I didn't open it, so I need to open. When I try to review products, I don't open the products because I want to be surprised as well. So let's do it together now. So let's see this headphone stand. Pretty straightforward. So we have the base. This is the base. Also we have the top. And I believe this should be the metal. I'm gonna leave this on the side. Yeah, this is metal. Pretty straightforward. So yeah, pretty simple. So just this one goes on the top. Like this. And this one goes here. Okay, pretty straightforward. I don't know if you can see from the camera from this point, but yeah, newbies, let's try now. So that's nice. So let me know, what do you think? Pretty simple headphone stand. I don't know if you can see properly, but yeah, simples. Let me try the Beats Solo Pro. Yeah, not bad. So yeah, pretty simple. Actually, I do like the way that the bigger ones, they look much better. I know, because the look of the headphones. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe again, because I'm testing this studio headphones, so I need to make sure that I need to test it properly to give you all the details, if they're good or not. So yeah, I'm testing these headphones now, so pretty interesting. So subscribe. So yeah, this is the video for today. I hope you enjoyed. Simples stand for headphones. This is Stefan. I'll see you in the next video.